Today, I'll be checking out a service studio room here inside the LK Pavilion Hotel, which is located on the corner of 3rd Road and South Pattaya Road. The monthly rate for the room, 14,000 baht. No long-term contract necessary. Safety box here. So just on the left there you have 3rd Road, and behind this building you have South Pattaya Road. Yeah, so the bathroom quite basic. Kettle, microwave. Some plates. Okay. Now at the back of the building you have a small pool here. Also a jacuzzi. So a kidney shaped pool here. Also they have a kitchen, looks like they serve breakfast. Also in reception they have a seating area, pool table. Here are the contact details for the LK Pavilion. A telephone number, email address. Also the hotel has an official booking website. So the LK Pavilion Hotel is located on a side street off both South Pattaya Road and 3rd Road. I'll post the location link for the building in the video description. From looking on Google Maps, this side street is actually named the LK Pavilion Alley. Once you cross 3rd Road to the left of the hotel, you'll come to this part of South Pattaya Road. Straight ahead on the right is Soibukau Market, and further down this road is the Tukon Shopping Centre and many restaurants, cafes and street food options. If you'd like to make a donation to help support the channel, I'd really appreciate it. In the video description is the Buy Me a Coffee link. I thank you to channel members Dave Knudsen, Tor Osley Rusvik and August Rush. The room type I viewed inside the LK Pavilion, a studio, priced at 14,000 baht per month, no long-term contract necessary. The deposit, 2,000 baht. Rooms are cleaned every 3 days, 10 times a month. Electric is charged at 7 baht per unit. Water, 33 baht per unit. Inside the rooms, there's access to Wi-Fi. That room, definitely suitable for a long stay. I was very impressed how it was furnished, especially if that room type being the lowest priced option available. Most of the essential furniture and appliances were inside, including a dining table and chairs, desk and chair, lounge chair, and several storage units and cupboards also. The furniture in great condition, only very minor signs of wear. At the front of the room, a sizable kitchen area with several accessories. Those studio rooms, 40 square meters in size, certainly didn't feel compact inside the living area. Like other LK hotel rooms that I've checked out in the past, the furniture, good quality, and the mattress, soft. All rooms in the hotel do have a balcony, and room cleaning every 3 days is a big positive. The amenities I'll discuss in a moment. The positive with the hotel's location, nearby, within walking distance, is South Pattaya Road, also Soi Buakhao. Some downsides now. The hotel, certainly not modern in look. I would use the word dated. It opened 19 years ago, in 2007. Several LK hotels that I've viewed, who offer monthly stays for their rooms, electric and water usage is included in the rate. However, that hotel charges for both. The amenities are poor, to be honest. The pool, small in size, and I did notice the tiling around the pool looked worn and grubby. Some issues with the rooms. The furniture, very retro in look and design. The room had a lounge chair with a footrest, but a couch would be more convenient, especially if a second person is staying in the room. The bathroom I did find very basic, also quite compact inside there. The balcony view unappealing, and I can't imagine the views from other rooms being much better due to the building's location. Also, the hotel is right next to a very busy third road. The kitchen top lacked the cooking stove, which is a disappointment for those staying long term. The TV set, quite small in size, and didn't appear to be a smart model you can cast onto or stream from. And lastly, the location, not ideal. A second road, a 10-minute walk on foot. Beach Road here, even further. So based on value for money, I'm going to rate it a 6 out of 10. The room is definitely suitable for a 30-day stay, even for a much longer period due to how well furnished it is. And rooms are cleaned regularly every 3 days. My two main complaints: the hotel is dated and the amenities are lackluster. A mile in distance north of the LK Pavilion on Soi Buakhao is the LK Premier here. Standard and studio rooms inside are priced at 13 and 14,000 baht a month, with no electric and water charges. In my opinion, better value than the Pavilion room that I showed today. Nice and soft. Next, I'll check out a studio room in the opposite building here. Now back here they have a decent sized pool. So there's your balcony view, facing the side of the building. So you've got a large table and chairs here too. Safety box. Set of towels. Here you have a fitness room, some resistance machines, cardio machines, free weights. Even a Smith machine here. So there's the contact details for the LK Premier. 2 phone numbers, an email address, and an official website. So right now I'm going to call it a day. I appreciate your watching. If there's any condo projects, apartment buildings, or hotels in the city you want me to check out, just leave me in the comments. Also on my channel, I have memberships available if you'd like to sign up for them. And if you could all please like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. As always, I'll see you all tomorrow. Take care.